Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Faith and Fit, where we build strength and honor God with our bodies. Today, let's talk about how to perform the leg press and how it compares to the squat. The leg press is a powerful machine that targets your quads, glutes, and hamstrings. Start by adjusting the seat so your knees form a 90-degree angle. Place your feet shoulder width apart on the platform. Keep your back and head flat against the pad the entire time. Press through your heels and extend your legs, but don't lock out your knees at the top. Lower the weight slowly until your knees are just past 90 degrees. Then press it back up with control. Keep your core engaged and breathe steadily. Now, how is this different from the squat? Squats work the same muscle groups, but also challenge your core, balance, and coordination. They're a compound movement that demands more stabilization and places a load directly on your spine and joints. The leg press is safer for beginners or great for adding volume without stressing your lower back. Squats are better for building functional strength and total body control. Both have value. It depends on your goals and experience. Remember, all progress takes patience and purpose. Whatever you do, do it all for the glory of God. 1 Corinthians 10:31. Subscribe for more Bible-based fitness tips and stay strong in form, faith, and focus.